you can give yourself an energy healing. Using your hands can be nice. Everyone has big energy centers in the palm of your hand, and fingertip chakras. Your one chakra in each fingertip. Those specifically, you could set them to a metallic gold color, like this glitter, with your intention. You don't have to be able to see energy to do anything that I'll be doing today. Because you can do it with your thought, your intention, your imagination. So anyway, and then you use gold light and you create a copy with your thought or your intention of yourself out in front of you, and you heal the copy. So, and again, your intention is you want to clear to the extent that's healthy and gentle to do right now, right? If just straight up standard chakra repair, repairing all chakras at once, all major and minor chakras using composite copy technique. So this is a standard basic chakra shape, an open cylinder. So you make an image similar to that, and with your intention, you say, okay, well, this represents all my major and minor chakras of my body and my spirit, and then go ahead and repair and unblock and melt cords using gold light. And keep melting cords so that the flaps can fall shut. Again, flaps are like this. When they're irritated, they look like they're sticking out around the round openings. But when you melt enough cords, you unblock enough, then the flaps relax and fall shut. So it's a nice smooth round opening. Lift out the energy blocks. You can blow them up or melt them with gold light. Lift out the energy blocks. Melt them with gold light. Lift out the energy blocks. Melt them with gold light. The angels, if there are any invasive beings messing with any of my chakras, can you please recycle them? Hard objects. You can have hard objects sticking into one of your chakras or a bunch of them. So hard objects can look like this. They can also look like a wedge, like something more shaped like this, maybe, you know, it just wedged in there. So anyway, just imagine a copy representing all your chakras, and imagine any hard object stuck in your chakras, and just use gold light to loosen up those hard objects. And you can say, angels, if there are any invasive beings in the way of this process, can you please recycle them? And melt cords from people out of these hard objects. Then it's just hard objects, no drama. And then lift out the hard objects. Angels, here you go. And do repair with the hard objects gone. We'll do that again. So imagine a composite copy representing all your chakras. Imagine the hard objects stuck in your chakras, if there are any, and loosen them up with gold light from your hands. And say, angels, if there are any invasive beings attached to these objects or in the way of this process, can you please recycle them? And then if there are any cords from people going into these chakras or into the hard objects that you're about to remove, just melt away the cords. And then just lift out all those hard objects and give them to your angels. Angels, here you go. And then do the repair. Because the hard objects, if they were stuck in there, they caused damage. And so now with them gone, you can repair better. All right, and the theme, power, confidence, and flow under pressure. So you can lift out energy blocks that are specifically in the way of the theme. So any energy blocks in your chakras that lower your confidence, lower your personal power, or lower like how good you are in pressure situations, lift those energy blocks out and just melt them away with gold light. So, and again, your intention is you want to clear to the extent that's healthy and gentle to do right now, right? But so lift out any energy blocks in the way of the theme, in the way of your confidence, your power, your flow under pressure. Lift out those blocks and just you could blow them up or just melt them away with gold light.